Doing a little test run today. Gonna see what we can do with the drone. Get ready for hunting season in the fall. Want to see about follow me in the boat, parallel me in the boat. See how it looks down on the boat for decoy spreads and such like that. See what we got here. Gonna pull out, have it follow us a little bit, do a couple things with it, see what happens. Well, as you can see here, I didn't take in effect the current on the river. We've had some rain, so the water, of course, is muddy, and the current's moving pretty good. I did not take in effect trying to move to land the drone on a moving boat. So as you can see, unfortunately here, I'm gonna have to crash it. That's the only way I could figure out how to land it. I guess I could have gone to shore, but there were so many overhanging tree limbs and stuff like that, I was afraid to do it. So I ended up crashing it, get to land, and almost missed the boat a couple times. So take a look, it's pretty funny. See what happens.
IMU in preparation.
Well, this part right here, you can see me trying to get the land. It was nerve-wracking. I almost missed the boat several times. This you can see when I crash it. It swings by me a few times, but after all was said and done, I picked it up. It worked just fine. Flew it for, I don't know, another half hour or so. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Just a little, hopefully a preview of what can come. A little better videos, a little more interesting. Thanks, guys.